So N of S is 2052C1 because there are 52 cards and you're selecting only one card. A stands for red cards. There are 26 red cards. So number of ways red card can be obtained is 26. You want numbers between 5 and 10. Numbers which are between 5 and 10 are 6, 7, 8, 9. 6, there are 4 cards. 7, there are 4 cards. 8, there are 4 cards. 9, there are 4 cards. There are 16 cards. Is it clear? So N of B became 16. Then you need A intersection B. How many common cards are there? There are, out of the 16 cards, 8 are black and 8 are red. So the number of cards which are red and also have number between 6, 7, 8, and 9 and 10 are how many?
8.
8. So N of A intersection B is 8.
Sir, the screen.
Students come late, that's a problem. Now can you see? Students come late means this is a problem that we have.
So probability is
Okay.
17 by
One of you, Austin.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, give me the one. Since the screen is gone, just tell me once again how much is N of S?
52.
52C1, that is 52. And what did you define A as?
Red cards.
Red card. How many ways can you get A?
26C1, that is 26.
Yeah. And B stands for number having 6, 7, 8, 9.
8, 9.
So N of B would be
16C1.
16C1. How you got 16? Because 6 there are 4 cards, 7 there are 4 cards, 8 there are 4 cards, 9 there are 4 cards. So total there are 16 cards. Then what more I should calculate?
A intersection B.
A intersection B. Why you need A intersection B?
Sir, because it is written.
common between.
Yeah.
Yeah. And find the probability of getting red. Red is A or union, and this is B. So you have to find probability of A union B. So you will write required probability.
Yes.
It is P of A union B. You will put the formula P of A plus P of B.
P of B minus P of A intersection B.
Yeah. All of them have same denominator, so you can write 52. And numerator you can write 26 plus 16 minus 8.
Minus 8.
So what is your answer?
30.
So it's 17 by 26.
Yeah.
17 by 26. I did the first problem. Next problem you are doing yourself. Okay. I'll just tell you how to do the next problem. Just hint I'll give you. Now instead of me giving all like this, you have to write every time. All these steps are must. Everybody fine with this first problem? Anybody in the class having difficulty?
No, sir.
Okay. See, when I go back to the screen, whatever I wrote will go away. So students come late, then I have a problem. Okay, read the question. I want Arunati.
Yes, sir.
You will answer this question.
Okay, sir.
First is N of S. You have to tell me. What is the experiment? What is the experiment here?
Back contains 100 lottery tickets numbered from 1 to 100. The ticket selected at random.
Did you notice this A?
Yes.
That means how many tickets are you selecting?
100C1.
N of S is 100C1. Very good. After that, you will go directly to what is the probability that the number, on the ticket is multiple of 6. This is A, or is union, and multiple of B is 7 is B. So your required probability is P of A union B. Now you yourself, how do you come to the multiple of, how many multiples of 6 are there? You don't have to count 6, 12, etc.
No, sir.
You just have to divide 100 by 6. How much you get the answer?
16.
16 point something. No? So 16, integer of this will be your answer. You know what is integer number? I taught it before. 16 is your answer. So N of A is 16C1. Now please complete it yourself.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So in this problem, multiple of 6 was 16, multiple of 7 was 14, multiple A and A intersection B means multiple of 6 and 7, that is
40.
multiple of 42. There are two multiples of 42, and that gives
54.
you the answer.
Yes, sir.
Fine? Is it fine?
Hmm.
Okay. Now, question number 3.
Yes, sir.
Okay, read question number 3. Imagine the diagram.
It
A
has
bag,
a 5 red marbles and
5
4
red,
yellow
4 yellow,
and 3 blue.
and
And
how
2
many marbles
marbles
are
are
you selecting?
2.
2. So first you will tell me N of S.
N of S is plus 2 plus 4. It will be 12C2.
Everybody agree with that? 12C2.
Yes, sir.
Austin,
Sir.
9 plus 3, 12. Total that when you calculate N of S, you don't have to look what color.
Hmm.
The experiment is selection of 2 balls, 2 marbles from 12 marbles. So directly 12C2. Calculate that 12 into 11 upon 2 into 1.
Yes, sir.
6
It will
into
be
11.
6.
Or sister 6 you can write. Whose probability you want to calculate?
Both the marbles are of same color.
Same color.
What do you mean by getting same color? What type of ball should I get when what should be the color to get same color?
So it should be either red or either yellow or either blue.
So you said perfectly. Either both red.
Or
One possibility is so N of same color is either both red or means add
add,
N
yes.
of both yellow plus N of both blue. Here there's no intersection. You cannot have one ball with the 2 colors. So A intersection B is not there. So directly you can add. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now tell me how many ways you can get both red.
5C2.
5C2.
5C2. Both yellow,
4C2.
4C2.
blue.
3C2.
C2.
Calculate it.
Yes, sir.
10. 4 into 3 upon 2 into 1. 6 plus 3.
Yesterday I had this confusion whether to multiply or to add. Didn't understand.
Yeah, now why you're adding, make it clear in your mind. Getting both same color means either getting red, both red, or there's one option. One option of
Yes.
becoming the same color. Another option of getting same color, both
yellow.
yellow.
Or both yellow. Okay.
It
Understood,
is
sir.
not, if I say and here, that means there should be 4 balls drawn. 2 red and 2 yellow. That means total number of balls I should draw is 4. Did you get the idea?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So what is the final answer for this? Probability of
19
the
by
A,
66.
19 by 66.
19 by 66. No doubt in this, no?
No, sir.
Okay. All of you have written this clearly.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sir.
Now, what do you mean by different color? Different color. That means if I make it more, 2 marbles of different color. What should I do?
Well, if one is red, then other should be of some different color. It can be either yellow or either blue.
So tell me all possibilities. Suppose first one is red. What should be other?
So it will be
Red and yellow.
One red and one yellow.
One
Or-
yellow and one yellow and one blue
Yellow, one
One
blue.
yellow or one blue and one blue.
and one blue. Yes.
Or
Or
One red and
the
one
one
blue.
One red.
one
Red
blue
and
and one
blue. Red and blue.
one blue. The word here you put and, okay?
Hmm.
Otherwise you'll get confused. This is one method of doing the problem. There is also another method of proving the problem. Can anybody tell me another method? By complementary method. If the two balls are not of same color, what they will be?
1 minus probability of the first one.
So different color, only two balls are there. Suppose three are there, it won't work. In two
Okay.
marble balls, if they are different color, it is complementary of same color. But this is possible only if three are there, then our method will change. Three means what will happen? Two red and one blue. This is not different color, and either they are not same color. But if it is two marbles only, this is possible. But we'll do this method. So write down, I'm rubbing this. Okay. N of different color. I want to teach you that wordings, that's why. N of one red and one yellow. This is one possibility. Because one possibility next to be plus. One red and one blue. Or one yellow and one blue. Now tell me, red how many ways? One red. 5C1 into 4C1 plus 5C1 into 3C1 plus 4C1 into 3C1. 20 plus 15 plus 12. That became 47. Correct? So probability of different color. P of different color. It's equal to 47 upon 66. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Below that you write method 2. Method 2. Probability of different color is equal to 1 minus probability of not a different color. They are not different color in 19 by 66 ways. What was the previous answer?
47.
47 by 66.
No,
Yeah.
not one. Different color.
It was
Same color, same color.
19 by 66.
19 by 66.
So this way also you can do. I hope you understood this.
Yes, sir.
So this second part, can you explain?
Tell me, what is the experiment here?
Two cards are drawn from 52 cards. So N of S should be
Everybody write N of S. Two cards are drawn, 52 cards. N of S.
52 C2.
52C2.
52 C2. I hope this part is clear to everybody.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
52 into 51 divided by 2 into 26 into 50. What is the probability that, Austin, you're answering me this, okay? Find the probability that both the cards are spade or both the cards are face. So they are said two words, both spade or both face. So A is the event, both are spade. B is the event, both are face cards. Or means union.
Union.
So this is what you are supposed to calculate. If you want to calculate this both, you must know what is N of A, what is N of B, and you should know what is A intersection B. 3 you have to know. Now, Austin, tell me. A stands for?
Cards drawn as spade cards.
Both are spade, not just one. Both cards are spade.
As spade.
So both means how many are they?
2.
So how many ways you can select two spade cards?
13C2.
13 C2. (13 into 6). Okay. B stands for?
Face cards. Both are face
Tell me
cards.
this, only spade. You should say
Both are face
spade.
cards.
How many you have to say? Otherwise, you should say two cards are spade
Okay, sir.
and face cards. because without number we cannot calculate n of b. So first you have to think how many face cards are there. What are face cards?
King,
King.
queen, and jack.
Queen and jack. How many are they?
4, 4, 4.
4, 4, 4. So how many are there total?
12.
12. And how many are we selecting? How many are we selecting?
2.
2.
12.
Sir, here I had one doubt, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, here it is written both cards drawn are spade cards. So, sir, it won't be get minus like king, queen, and jack.
That is exactly taken care here. That's why this n of a, our formula is what? Probability of A union B. Probability of A
plus
plus
B
probability of B
minus
probability of A intersection B. You have two choices. One method is, like as you said, you minus and add. And if you are using this formula, don't do that.
Okay, sir.
It is because this is already, this minusing is taking care of that, what you asked me.
Okay, sir. Yeah. $66.
Now you have to ask the question, how many are satisfying both the condition? How many have spade and face card on it?
Cards are
3.
satisfying
Yeah,
both the condition.
one card will be this. One card will be this. Spade with queen. One card will be spade with.
Jack.
These are the cards which satisfy both the condition. So there are 3C2. Now 3C2 is.
So I didn't understand this part.
What is the meaning of and? On that card, we should have both spade bhi hona chahiye, face card bhi hona chahiye. How many cards satisfy both the condition? Usme spade bhi hai, usme face card bhi hai.
So,
How
but
many are
why 3C2?
Because we need both out of this which are common from this selection and this selection which are common selections.
It's 3 only. I thought why you are writing 3C2.
3C2 is 3 only, na? But don't think 3 individual cards, 2 at a time. Jack and queen, one possibility. Jack and king, another possibility. King and queen, another possibility. So we have 3 cases, 3 possibilities. Don't
So
think
that
Jack
is the
1,
reason.
queen 1, king 1. No, we are selecting 2 at a time.
Okay.
Okay. Although the answer is 3, it is not Jack 1 time, queen 1 time, king. No. Jack and queen 1 time. Jack and king another time. King and queen another time. Like that, three cases are there.
Understood, sir.
Now complete your answer. Probability of required probability is probability of A union B. Abhi substitute karo, answer likho. So this is 78 upon 26 up into 51 is common for everyone now. 78 plus 66 minus 3. So 78 plus 63. Correct. 47 are there.
So because 141, 26 and 141, 51 can get cancelled.
47 into 3, you know,
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
into 3. 3 means here. Much
So
time?
it should be 17.
19. Na?
So it's 51, not 57.
Oh. So 47 divided by 26 into 17.
It will be 447.
442 in the denominator.
440. I hope all of you are clear about this A union B problems.
Yes, sir.
Whenever the word or is present, then only you need to apply this. Very good. Many students have given correct answer. Good. Can I change?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Read the question. How many students are in the class?
100 students.
100 students.
N of
How
S
many
can
are
be
you?
taken
How many
100.
students are you selecting?
English.
A student chosen at random.
Yes, sir.
So N of S.
N of S is equals to
100 C1 or 100.
Yeah. Now go to the last sentence. Find the probability that a student chosen at random offered English
Or Marathi.
or Marathi.
Marathi.
So it is also probability of A union B.
Yes, sir.
End of A. A stands for
English.
offered English.
That is 70 C.
B is offered.
Marathi.
Marathi.
That is 40.
Okay. So N of A. How many students have offered English?
70.
Students, sir.
70 students have offered English. So number of ways a student can offer get English languages 70.
70.
40 students have offered Marathi.
40 C1, that is 40.
And both.
And how many offered both A and B?
50, sir.
Everything is directly given in this problem.
Yes, sir.
So required probability of A union B, because the word is or here.
So 100 plus
So-
70 plus 40 minus, no, 70 plus 40 minus 15.
You may do it this directly also.
Yes, sir.
70 plus 40
Minus 15.
upon 100.
That is 95 by 100. That can be written as 19 by 20.
Yes. Let me see how many students give answer. 19. Kushi has given me answer. Random has given. Kevin has given. Very good. Okay. I think that is fine. Just read the question. A closet contains 5 pairs of hand gloves. That means how many gloves are there in this set the box?
10 gloves, sir.
10
10.
gloves. Because
5
it's
of left hand
and 5 of right.
and
Hand.
5 of right hands. A person select 2 gloves at a random. So tell me N of S.
It will be 10 C2.
10 C2.
10 C2. 10 into 9 upon 2 into 1.
45.
45.
Okay. Now tell me what is the probability that both gloves are of same hand? Now Austin, like last time, same color we said, no?
Yes, sir.
This time same hand. Tell me, when do you say you get the gloves of same hand? Either they should be, what is one possibility? Same hand means don't think same person's hand. Same hand means what are the 2 hands we have here?
So either left hand or either right
Or
hand.
right hand.
So same hand means, what is the meaning of same hand? Both has to be of left
Or
or
both
both has to be right.
Hmm.
Did you understand?
Yes,
This
sir.
segregation from this wording, you have to make it your own conclusion. You cannot, question is indirect. Instead of saying get it both left or both right, they have same hand. So you should understand what are the meaning of same hand. Either they should both from the left hand or both from the right hand. Is it clear to you?
Yes,
So
sir.
this becomes your event A, this becomes event B, or you may directly do like this. Number of ways of getting in same hand. Gloves of same hand. I'll make it more. Gloves of same hand. One possibility is both of left or
both
both
of
of right.
right.
इसमें A intersection B क्यों नहीं है?
Because common नहीं आता ना.
You cannot have one gloves with both in it. Left hand gloves and right hand gloves together is not there. We assume that is not there.
Yes, sir.
So 5C2
5
plus
C2
5C2.
plus 5 C2.
Plus 5 C2.
So 10 plus 10,
20.
that is 20. So the required probability of same hand is 20 upon 45. That is 4 by 9. Yeah, Kevin has given, Kushi has given, good. I hope this is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So the formula for A given B, P of A intersection B upon P of B, substitute directly. In this also intersection of B and A complement divided by P of A dash. This region B, this is a explanation for this formula. B intersection A complement means belongs to B, B में होना चाहिए, इसके अंदर होना चाहिए, लेकिन A में नहीं होना चाहिए. That means only this much region. And that much region is nothing but B minus A intersection B, whole B minus the intersection part. So what about this problem? Yeah, yes, I got somebody given me the answer. So this became P of A intersection B complement divided by P of A. So A intersection B complement मतलब A में होना चाहिए, so probability of A. लेकिन
Minus
जितना ये
probability
B
of
नहीं होना चाहिए, so P of A intersection B upon P of A.
Okay.
Now just put the values. P of A is how much? 0.8
0.8.
minus 0.5 divided by 0.8.
0.8.
So answer is 0.3 upon 0.8, so 3 by 8.
3
3
by
by 8.
But today I'm going to teach this problem directly. Okay?
Yes, sir.
We do tree diagram and did it. That is the notation I wanted to teach you. Now we'll do directly. An urn contains 14 black balls,
And 16 white.
16 white. One ball is drawn at random.
2.
Its color is noted and kept aside. Then a ball is drawn. So the first one, the second one.
So for
Find
this
the
is
probability
with
that
replacement.
second ball is white. Find the probability that second ball is white. So W2. White for W, second ball 2. Given that first ball is white.
W1.
So you have to ask the question after W1 has happened. That means first is white.
Yes, sir.
What is the new sample space?
It will be 14 black, 15 white.
Yeah. You will draw the new sample space. So if 14 black था, उसमें से एक white निकल गया, so 15 white. Now what is the chance of getting W2? Will be the chance of getting W2.
It should be 15 by 30, sir.
So I am going to use this way, n of W2 upon n of S1. S1 का मतलब क्या है? This is S1. This is my new sample space. New sample space has got 14 black and 15 white.
White.
What is the chance of getting a white? 15C1 divided by 19C1, so 15 by 19. समझा कि नहीं समझा?
Why 19?
29.
29 now.
Okay. Yes.
But so the ball is kept back now.
Hmm?
But the ball is taken out and then it is kept inside. So there shouldn't be 29.
What is it? Yeah.
Kept aside.
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 Yeah. So it is
Yes.
not kept
Then
inside.
correct. Then 29.
Okay. Yeah. So I think it's clear to everybody. Anybody having doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Notation is clear to you. This notation, given that this notation should be there. So I'm clearing this.
Yesterday I thought that the ball is taken out and again it is kept inside.
That you have to depend on the question. You have to read the question and decide that one. Okay, now let's have a look at the same question. Same question, 14 black, 16 white. Can you do yourself?
Yeah,
Yes,
sir.
Put your answer on this thing.
Sir, the recording.
Yeah. That's good. So is it fine with everybody? Let's go to the question number. I'm removing it. Now question number 10. From a pack of 52 cards, 2 cards are drawn one by one. So now imagine 52 cards are kept here. One we have drawn
Then
without
not kept.
replacement. So then we have drawn another.
Hmm.
Find the probability that the first card is a king. First card is a king. And second is not a king. Second is not a king. Dash डाल देता हूं. Not a king. I put a dash for it. Is it okay?
Yes.
So now I need to ask the question, how many cards are there? 52. I should say the card contains 4 king and 48 not kings.
Okay.
I'm not interested in others, whether they are spade or hearts or diamond. It's not my concern because I am talking about king and not king only. So I need to ask how many kings are there in the box? How many not kings are there in the box? That's all I have to ask. Now, what I want to find the probability that first is a king and second is not a king. So now the problem is probability of A intersection B. It is probability of the first event into probability of second given that first has happened. समझा कि नहीं?
No, sir.
Probability
Why
of first.
we need to use this formula? Oh, उधर भी A intersection B था ना? इसमें भी A intersection B था. What is the meaning difference between? How do you come to know they are both are different? इसका मतलब क्या है? Common between A and A.
Yes.
लेकिन इसका मतलब common नहीं है. इसका मतलब है this is in 2 experiment. A is the result of the first experiment. B is the result of the second experiment. Chance of A to occur in first experiment and chance of B to occur in second is multiplication of the probability.
So then why do they have the same notations if they have
Because
two,
the word
if
both
they
are
two
and.
different concepts?
Because both the words are and. This depends on the experiment. In this experiment, A and B are of the same experiment. A and B are result of single experiment. Here, A is result of first experiment.
B is result of second experiment.
Correct. So that you can easily come to know, no? How many experiments are there or not. Did you follow this clearly?
Yes, sir.
This formula will be applied only in 2 experiment problem. This formula will be applied in 1 experiment problem. So the difference between the two.
Yes, sir.
Now we will write the answer. Probability of K1 intersection K2 dash is probability of K1 occurring in the first experiment. Probability of K2 dash occurring given that K1 has already happened. Okay. Now you tell me, what is the chance of getting a king from a pack of 52 cards with 4 kings?
4C1.
4 by 52.
4 by 52. Okay. Now next, what do we say?
48
After
by
one king
51.
is drawn, see, after K1 happened, after
K1.
K1 happened, there'll be the new sample space.
51.
The 51 cards then.
There'll be 3 kings,
3 kings and
Yes.
48.
48
not
not
kings. There's a new sample space. In this new sample space, what is the chance of not getting a king?
48 out of 51.
48 out of
51.
51.
51. Yeah, C1 नहीं लिखेगा तो भी चलेगा ना?
Yes.
4 upon 52 into 48 upon 51. Has everybody understood this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Anybody in the class feeling difficult to understand this concept? Please
So
speak
that
out.
48 upon 51 का part I didn't understand.
Yeah. What is the meaning of probability of B given A? After
A
the
has
event A
already
has
happened.
taken place, what is the new sample space? You have to look at that. In
Yes.
that new sample space, what is the chance of B to occur? This is the meaning of B given A.
Yes, sir.
After one K1 is removed, after one king is removed, how many cards will be there? There'll be 3 kings and 48 cards, not kings.
48, not
In this new sample space, what is the chance of not getting a king?
not getting. Okay.
A2 dash,
48.
na?
Yes,
So
sir.
48 not kings are there, no?
Upon the new samples.
Yeah, new sample space.
Okay, sir. Understood.
Ask me like this. It will be very easy to clear. Then I'll also know that you're thinking. From a pack of 52 cards, 2 cards are drawn at random. Find the probability that both cards are diamond when first card is kept aside. So, कितना experiment है इसमें?
2 experiments, sir.
Two. Because word first card is kept aside means एक करके एक आएगा ना? So 1 by 1 only. Again, now 52 cards to be divided how? Probability that both cards are diamond. So we need to talk about how many are diamond, how many are not diamond. Others are not our concern.
13s are diamond and 39 are not diamond.
Yes. Did everybody understood? According to the question, we have to define the what is the sample space. Don't write 52 cards alone. That won't give you an answer. So first card is removed. Second card is removed. When can you say both are diamond? Austin is going to answer me this. Both are diamonds here. This is the first card drawn. This is the second card drawn. What should be the card here? What should be the card here to say that both are diamond? Austin?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What should be the card here? What should be the card here? I must call both diamonds. So what should be the card here? Can I have a spade here?
No,
Cards
sir.
here? What should be
No,
here?
sir. Diamond.
A diamond on it. Say first card should be a diamond.
Yes, sir.
Second card should be diamond. Then only both card will be diamond. So
Yes, sir.
D1 is the event. First card is diamond. D2 be the event. Second card is diamond. So the required probability will be first is diamond and the second is diamond. Then only we can say both are diamond. Now tell me the formula for this. Anam, formula for this.
Probability of D1 into probability of D2 given D1.
Very good. Excellent. Probability of diamond. N of, okay, I'll do one thing. I'll do one thing. N of D1 and N of S into N of D2 upon N of S2. Chalega? Just to make you understand this.
Yes, sir.
This will be a better way of writing.
Yes, sir.
When I get idea, when I start thinking how you will understand better way. Now first is diamond. What is the probability of first diamond? I'm writing over here.
13C1
13C1 upon
13 plus 52.
Now after one diamond is removed, now what is the new sample space?
Then it will be 51 and 12 diamond cards.
New sample space, 12 diamond,
And rest is 39 not diamond.
39 not diamond. Here 39 not diamond. This is my new sample space. In this new sample space, what is the chance of getting what? D2 is diamond, no?
Yes, so it will be 12 by 51.
This is 4 times. 4 times. This is how many times? This
3
is
by 51, sir.
3 by 17. No?
51.
51, sir.
3 by, no, 13 by 52, 1 by 4. 12 by 51, I cancelled with a 3. 4 by 70. So 1 by 70. Chalega? So final answer is 1 by 70. Anybody having a problem? Please speak out. Yes. Ashish has given correct. Anam has given correct. No problem. Okay. If you carefully handle this topic, it will be easy. Okay. Now tell me, what is the difference? A pack of 52 cards are there. And
Replacement.
the probability that both cards are diamond, same question only. When first card is replaced back. So there are how many? 13 diamond.
39 not diamond.
39 not diamond. First card should be a diamond. Second should be diamond.
13.
Then only both will be diamond.
Hmm.
So required probability is P of first is diamond and the second is diamond. That is probability of B1 into probability of B2. Even if you write given D1 doesn't matter, but it does not meaning anything. Can you tell me why I'm telling that D1 writing this is not necessary? This is enough.
So because the sample set will remain the same
Correct. So what do you call this events?
with replacement.
Independent events.
Independent.
So even if you write this way, it will end up in P of D2 only. Because this has no influence on the other. Clear?
Yes, sir.
This way chalega, kuch bhi chal liko. Now you tell me what is probability of D1? Okay,
13.
N of D1 upon N of S. Here also N of D2 upon N of S only. Sample space will not change here. So 13 by 52 into how much? How much?
13 now
13 upon
by 52.
52. Because the pack will always remain 52 cards only.
Hmm. The card is replaced again.
Yeah. So after D1 happens, there is no change in the sample space. Yeah, the bubble mein likho. After D1, there is no change in the sample space. So 1 by 16 is your answer. After D1 happens, there is no change in sample space. I hope all of you understood.
Yes, sir.
Usi 1 by 8 कहाँ से मिला?
Oh, sir, no, sir, I added it. Sorry.
हाँ. Can I remove it?
Yes,
Hmm.
sir.
We are going to the last question of the day. My time also exactly. Okay, let's start with the last question. 2 urns contain 3 white, 7 red, 15 black. 10 white, 6 red, 9 black. One ball is taken from each urn. एक दोनों से एक लिया. And what do you want? What do you want?
What is the probability that both will be of same color?
Now, Austin, this is again come back to you. What do you mean by, can you imagine the experiment there? What do you mean by same color? Don't feel that I'm keep on troubling you. I want you to understand this indirect words. That is my aim.
Yes, sir.
Okay, same color. What do you mean by that? What are the possibility? When will you say same color? What should be the color here? What should be the color here?
Both of them should be
Both
same.
of them will be the same, like
Both will be
and
white.
red.
Correct. This is one possibility.
Or
And word between them is and.
And
Or next possibility.
Black.
Beta red,
And red.
red,
Or
or either black
black
and black.
and black.
I hope you are, all of you understood this concept. This
Yes.
this
Yes, sir.
terminology is the one which you get stuck. So you can directly write required probability. Are they independent event or dependent events? If I remove a white from here, will the white here change? Here the sample space change?
No.
Independent. So P of W1 and W2 plus P of R1 and R2 plus P of B1 and B2. They are independent events, so directly multiply. No need of writing given. Because after the event R1, R2 is not affected. Directly, batao answer. P of W1. How many white are there total?
3 whites, sir.
Out of how many?
Out of 25.
25. Next one, 10 out of 25 chalega. W2 means white from here.
Yes, sir.
Plus 7 upon 25 into 6 upon 25. 15 upon 25 into 9 out of 15. I think this year was a 30, 42, 125. 7, 10, 207.